All right, so what the idea behind what we're doing is to create an electric bottle jack or an electric jack, because you know they sell them, but who wants to spend that much? But if we can save what we can and we don't have to leave the ranch to go get it because everything's so far away, might as well do it here. But we're gonna need the electric jack for right here, and it's gonna sit here and jack up our logs so we're cutting even on the sawmill. Now the sawmill is level, but doesn't mean the logs are. This right here is, it just rolls on its tracks. Now we're going to jack up the front end logs with the bottle jack. So instead of manually doing it with a manual bottle jack, electric one should come in handy. So let's go to the electric one. All right, so our ideas behind this is to hook a drill to it. We don't actually have a plan for what we're doing. We're more of just a, I'm gonna wing it kind of thing. The real thing is, how am I gonna attach this in? Because I have this. How am I gonna?
I have an idea.
What?
All right, with this,
In the back of the,
we could use regular bit.
in the back of the, what's it called? The UTV, I have a socket set. Did you bring that to me?
Back at the UTV, Larry just drove off with it.
Well, that sucks. See, this actually can fit already in the drill. But I wonder, see, it actually already fits in the bit. If I can find a way to get that to rotate, then problem solved. You can only get it to rotate the spare parts.
But you got it in there?
Yeah, it fits right in the drill.
It does.
Now, what I'm wondering is, what are we going to use to attach to here?
Could we not weld it?
Okay. This is what I got. Alright, we got the angle grinder.
Yo, we got the safety gloves over there.
That's the motor.
I got something to go. I'm pretty sure of it.
Then what do you got? You want to go get it?
Yeah.
Try to get the line up. Where's he at though?
Hey, Joss. I just thought, what if we just crush this in?
Flatten it in.
Yeah.
Make it flat and go in.
Like, honestly,
No, that's a good idea.
it's open.
So I'm gonna do it here. That hurt my knee. Set it down like that.
I'm gonna bring out the grinder.
There we go. I'm gonna take it off. This side needs to be hanging down.
Yeah.
Take it, lay it down. Don't flip around. We're done with this. Alright, I think take a grinder to it. See if I take a grinder to see how much you've done. We'll do that side.
So far, it's working. Just needs to.
Well, there's no doubt in my mind you're gonna get it.
Yeah, no.
It's literally impossible not to. If you just keep heating it, smacking it down, and then grind off the excess, eventually it will.
That's gonna go in there. But
Oh, it's going to?
in order to get that, I'm gonna grind like this. Is it plugged in?
Nope.
Turn off the sides of the top.
That thing's already hot.
ladder. That is the point.
Oh, it's gonna need to be taken down more.
But this one should work just fine. Yeah, but let's see what the boss thinks of it. Because we don't know yet.